Hello, YouTube audience. Well, it's the dead of winter in the middle of Minnesota, and it's February, and the pets and the kids and all of us are getting cabin fever. We need to get out of here and go somewhere. Want to come along?
Listen to those ice pellets hit the ground, hit the trees, hit the house. And yet there's a tornado on the ground about 100 miles south of here during a blizzard. Yeah, this is Minnesota for you. I was grilling out in pajamas and bare feet yesterday. That looks like the salt that goes on giant pretzels.
Yeah. For work today, I had to organize all the swimsuits. I only got like 1/3 of them organized.
Looking outside.
I know.
Did you feel right organizing swimsuits?
No.
Did you wear that jacket?
I wish.
You should have.
No, I was really sweaty actually.
Because there's a blizzard outside.
Still smell because now I'm sitting here.
What are you doing that for?
Because I look outside.
Okay, something I taught Sadie when she was a puppy is to alert us when she hears a tornado siren. Right now she's being a goof. She's like frustrated. Come here, Sadie. Come over here and sit. Anyway, we can't hear tornado sirens in the house, and they're not designed to hear them in the house. You're supposed to sign yourself up to receive text messages and emails and phone calls and whatever when you get a tornado. But anyway, you should have a weather alert radio or something in your house. But you will not hear that. But I wanted to just make it easy. Sadie can hear it outside, but we can't. Now watch this. Okay, the tornado's done. It's all clear. It's all clear. See? Are you a little frustrated? What are you doing? It's okay. No more tornado. We won't die. I think Mom's either cold or she's been in Minnesota too long. She says to you, "Where you travel to?" And she said it loud so you can hear it through the hood. Maybe she thinks you have...
My hood, my bomber hat, and my headband. There we go. That right.
Where you travel to? Check this out. I'm going to roll the window down. And the ice will stay exactly in the form of the window. Wouldn't that be fun to bust out? Tap on the window. There. And improve my view.
This is horrible coming back from Nashville to this. It's like this all winter this year. Lots of days of blizzards. And you just can't stay home. You gotta get out there and live life, right?
who wants to snuggle with the mama. Lap dog.
Hold on. 1, 2. Okay, give me the picture too. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Wait, one more. 1, 2.
What flag is that up there, people?
I say
Is that Brit flag?
It's either Brit or it's Norwegian flag.
We're in Red Wing, Minnesota. It's just gorgeous down here. This doesn't look like Minnesota at all.
We'll have to look at.
Although there's more than one place in Minnesota that looks like this.
Well, this is all bluffs down
Are you bluffing me? Sadie, what do you think? Ah, puppy. Oh, this is just too cute. Look at that, you two balonians. Look at them snuggle. They're both very tired today. I gotta also Instagram this. If you guys aren't on my Instagram, I invite you to join my Instagram. Because we put up pictures every day of these guys. And my Instagram icon is on the front page of my YouTube. All you have to do is click on it and join it. Check it out.